For those of you that don't know, drug testing is a billion-dollar industry. Just so you know, it's a multi-billion dollar industry. It's a lot of money that we make. It's a lot of revenue. You can go on Google, search, and find all this information. Nobody is making anything up. So is DNA. So that's just by the way. Okay, just saying this to encourage you, to let you know that this industry is lucrative. You have to set up your business properly. If you want to do mobile, don't do mobile for 2-3 years. Well, I'm gonna take that back, because there are some people that are actually doing mobile business and they are doing it very well. But what I meant to say is, probably if you don't know, if you can't get up, if you can't also, if you're not a go-getter, you probably want to get a brick and mortar. You probably want to get a some people don't understand, so it's better I say so you can hear. We're gonna do both. I'm gonna post and I'm gonna come on here whenever I'm able to, and I'll just continue to explain this all to you. This is the number one thing that I want to address. This new program is solely for people that are looking for collection accounts and referral account. If you have a collection account with another lab, you can still apply if you want. And this is because if you look at the account, so let's use Alliance and DDC as a case study. With Alliance, you can offer, Alliance allows you to resell immigration. You can't resell immigration with DDC. DDC does not have that option for you. However, if you refer those clients to them, they will pay you for services. I think some other labs does the same module. But with Alliance, you can resell immigration. That means you can have your own personal clients and they will let you do it and you'll make the money. With Alliance, you can't offer non-invasive. Alliance don't have the non-invasive pregnancy test. DDC has non-invasive pregnancy test. DDC has gender reveal. If you want to offer gender reveal, your best is to go through DDC. If you want to offer immigration, your best is to go through Alliance. If you want to offer which other one? So it's 3. I hope it's making sense. So immigration is through Alliance. You can't do it through DDC. Gender review is through DDC. You can't do it through Alliance. And the non-invasive pregnancy test is through DDC. Ancestry is through DDC. You can't do ancestry with Alliance. So that's the reason why a lot of you come and you're like, I already have Alliance. Yes, you already have Alliance, but can you do gender review? Can you do non-invasive pregnancy test? Can you do ancestry? If the answer is no, I recommend that you get DDC. But if you don't want to get DDC because you already have a lab account, it's still okay. That's your choice. That's the choice that you make. However, you all are encouraged to get the other side. There's 2 things that I'm offering. You can set up a lab account and you have all of these things underneath. Alliance, DDC, you can do paternity. So you can offer paternity, the legal, non-legal, all this other stuff. Now, I said the other part is where they send clients to you. Alliance don't send clients to you. Alliance don't have that means to do that. Only DDC, you can partner with DDC and DDC will send you a client. Okay? So if you're looking for a way, and if you're mobile, if you have a physical location, this is ideal for you. There are some states DDC are looking for mobile collectors. If you fall underneath, that's good. Even if you don't fall underneath that, what DDC basically do is call you and say, are you able to do this collection? One of our new partners just got a referral today. As they started their account, everything came up and they're good to go. It's that easy. So it's a matter of you willing to invest in yourself instead of looking for excuses or asking questions that are irrelevant. All right, so that's how that's gonna go. You can set up for collection and they will send clients to you. They pay you, you get paid rather. You do that, and they also send you supplies. They send you everything that you need to set up your lab account. It's way cheaper if you go through us. I'm not saying you can't do this on your own. Of course, DDC is there. Who doesn't know DDC? Where it gets difficult is that they will delay your application and you pay $750. A lot of times, the $750 is paying $750 and you're gonna get the same thing. And you're also going to get discounted fees. So for example, the way reseller works is that they're going to give you a fee schedule. Meaning that when you want to do a paternity test, Alliance might say, okay, DDC might say, pay us $150. If you are a reseller, if you believe in reselling, some people don't know how to resell. But if you feel like you're going to get customer for gender review, if you're going to get customer for non-invasive pregnancy test, if you're going to get customer for ancestry, which I recommend because that's where the money lies. That is where the money is. You having the ability to resell. Meaning that Alliance, DDC gives you this thing for $150. You're going to go ahead and sell it for $450. $350 is going to direct you to this video because this video covers everything that you need to know. It covers that, oh, I have Alliance, I have this lab. Yes, you have this lab. Have you checked the lab? Have you checked what they say you can do? I have Alliance too, and I have DDC. I made sure I have both because, like I said, both don't have the same thing. It's like when you go to Aldi and you go to another store, some store carries different product. So depending on the product that is making cake, a good one is ancestry. But if you have Alliance, you can't offer ancestry because Alliance don't have ancestry. Alliance don't have non-invasive pregnancy test. Non-invasive pregnancy test, how much is one? One non-invasive pregnancy test is $1,800, $1,800. And I'm only reselling my payments if I pay. That's the one that I will push the most. I'm drawing a blood at 5:30 today. I'm making that extra money. So you wonder why people are making money. This is how. When we describe how, it becomes hard for some people because one, they don't want to spend that money. That $175 I'm asking you to pay, you don't want to spend it. But you want me to, you are so enticed when I say I make that much profit. This is how I make the profit, by spending my money, because you use money to make money. But people don't want to pay that $175 or even the $750. How do you then want to offer the services when you can't pay for services, or you can't even pay to open doors for yourselves? So that's how much I pay. I have an account with DDC. They asked me to, I'm selling the kit for $1,800. If you want receipts, put in the comment receipt and I'll show you. By 5:30 today, somebody's going to come and swipe their card for $1,800. So that's what I'm saying. And I don't have to show you the receipt. I can even show you but DDC would, because they have my card on file. They would just charge me once they release the result. That's how that goes. That's reselling. That's profit. So don't always be surprised how people are making money. This is how. So again, guys, I have opened pathways for you to make money. If you have Alliance and you don't have DDC, I say go ahead and get the DDC account, because DDC don't have some things that Alliance have, and Alliance don't have the things that DDC have, and there are very major ones. Ancestry, Alliance don't have it. Non-invasive pregnancy test, which is $1,800, Alliance don't have it. Ancestry, Alliance don't have those things. Only DDC does. Okay. And again, you also have to compare prices. How much are you paying DDC? How much are you paying Alliance to run your specimen? The same test. For example, for right now, I am making extra $20 if I send my specimen to Alliance, except if I go back to Alliance to re-strategize. But I'm saving $20 on every test if I run my specimen through DDC. So, and this is the benefit you will partake. Even if you have Alliance, you are going to be those things. I'm telling you right now. Go and ask. I've talked to almost, how many people? I talked to 3 people, and all of the 3 people, they said they paid the $750. If you think I'm lying, just shoot DDC an email. DDC will tell you to pay $750 on every text. Good luck. If you would rather have a collection services with everything that you do where they pay you and you get paid, good luck. These are the things that I've brought to the table. So this video is going to end shortly. For those of you that are watching, good luck with everything. Continue to help me to spread. If you comment, if you like, this video will reach a lot of people. I'm trying to make sure that people have this, because the question kept coming and I don't know, for some reason they're just making it complicated, which is not even complicated at all. So what it brings, right? It brings to the table what? Having the ability to offer ancestry, non-invasive and all that. Although the only strength and the beauty of Alliance is that you can have immigration. So why not have both? So that when you have an immigration client, you get it. When you have this non-invasive client, you get it. You are all round. Even if it's only DNA testing that you're selling, you're still able to make money every month. You're still able to make money. That's what we're saying. Even if it's just one services and you master all the niches in DNA, you don't have to do drug testing. You don't have to do background. You don't have to do all this clear if you don't know how to. Because there is also how to this ones. But DDC has so many niches that you can perform and make money on a daily basis. I haven't made anything today, but I'm making money this evening. And if that's about what I make this week, I'm fine. Because I only need to make $20 per day to make what I need. So I'm fine. So that's almost 3 days coverage. So if I'm not making money tomorrow, or if I'm not making money yesterday or today, I have 3 days buffer already, because I've already made ×3 of my profit today. That's business and being wise. But the more that you're doing it, the more consistency, the way you are able to treat the first person in your door, they will help you to tell your words. They will help you to spread it by word of the mouth. So again, if you're my student, Veronica is watching. If you're my student, one of the things that I teach my people is that I ask them to always ask their customers where they are coming from and why they're getting this done. So that's your free nugget right there, because these things helps you and it opens the next door. It opens the next door. Okay, y'all. So that's it for now. That's it for now. I feel like I don't have anything to add, because this video I'm gonna make it go viral. But that's it. Hopefully this helps. And don't forget about the immigration consultation. That's another pathway that can bring money to your table. So for me, let me tell you something. Let me tell you my secret sauce here. I don't work too hard. I work smart. When I teach, I only take 3 classes at the university level. By right now, I'm done. I teach from 9:30 to 12:30. I teach those 2 classes every Tuesday and Thursday. When I'm done, I go back to mommy mode. I pick up my kids. My lab is open. I pay somebody to run the lab for a few hours for me. After then they close, the lab stays open, but I'm still running it. So if I need to go, I can go, because my lab is not far from me. That's how I run. This is just my secret sauce. I don't pay everyone. I don't pay my staff 8 hours a day, because they're going to take my profit. So when I do that, but I'm still making money, generating revenue, and I have new services now that I added. I don't know if you guys know, we also have a virtual mailbox now, and so many other things that are coming in pipeline. So I have versatile ways of making money. You don't have to work hard, but smart. So that's it for now. I hope I've been able to encourage somebody to get up and do something. But guys, just start with DNA first. Just do one thing at a time. Master that one and pick it up. While you're marketing your DNA, try to see if you will find clients for drug testing. The best way for drug testing is to have contract with businesses. Individuals don't work. You can't get DNA business with individuals. It's not gonna. You're not gonna get them, because individuals, who wants to go for a drug test? Drug tests, but individuals are the ideal clients for DNA, because they are the ones that wants to know, and they pay you cash right there. All right, but for the drug testing, you have to probably wait after 30 days to get your money, because the company is processing payrolls and all that. It just depends. For me, for my drug testing, they pay me on the same day. Well, some of my contracts, one of them is every 30 days, which I don't like. Okay, so that's it. I love you guys. Gotta go. I feel like I've shared everything. I don't know what else to share. Oh, I was saying something about immigration. So immigration consultation is that one that can also give you good money. When I say good money, like you can charge one immigration client $2,000. That's actually the least fee. My fees are $3,500, but I never would tell you to go and charge $3,500, because you really have to be a master. But you can start charging them $1,000, $2,000, and you're just helping these people, because they will rather pay you that $1,000 when they see that you have good results, good evidences, right, than to pay a lawyer, an attorney. They will not go and pay an attorney $5,000. They would rather pay you that $1,000 and try it with $1,000, because immigrant, that's the way we think. So when an immigrant is giving you $1,000 to help them to do what we know that you're going to do anyway, to give them result, because what is it that you're doing is that you're helping them to navigate the system. You're putting all the paperwork together, because they can't put it together. So that's actually what you're doing, and they will pay you. And if you want, you can stack your services. You can then start to help them to find healthcare system, or even help them to buy car, or even help them to open bank accounts, or even help them to find school for their children, or even help them to pass an exam, there are so many stackable services. So this is how you stack. And once you stack, you are charging. Maybe that could just be another additional $200. That could just be an additional $500, depending on the things that they need. And that's how you make money. Because if you look at it, That is truly how money, that is a genuine way to make money. It is actually realistic. All right, so I'll talk to you again because now I really have to go.